Okay, what we have here is the PALMGREN 12-inch disc sander. It's model 96813112A, and it looks like it had a little bit of shipping distress. Possibly the bars holding this might have been bent slightly. As you can see, when you bring it up to horizontal, it actually is rubbing. Looks like it got pushed this way, and when you bring it down, it spins clear. It stays clear. It spins freely. It does seem to have a slight wobble when you first turn it on, but it does seem to smooth out. I'm not sure how much damage was done to the motor itself. It may just be the table. So you can see it does spin well. Really, aside from that, there doesn't appear to be anything else wrong with it.